is how you prepare. Count the hands and mouths that have neared you like a rosary. Practice in the mirror until you can say it without blushing. Wear your good dress, some mascara. Wear a tie, and the collared shirt that suits your shoulders, because this should not, but could make you feel ugly. Take your best friend. Make her hold your hand and breathe like a couple in a prenatal class. Remember, you do this for yourself, and because of me. Because of a vaccine I can't afford and don't trust yet. Because of my fear of mono swabs and waiting rooms, chest rattles and skin rashes. Because for all my rainbow flags, I'm still afraid to tell the doctor. You are my best friend because you dress up with me for pap smears like we're going on a date. Because you will wait through everyone else's pneumonia to make sure I don't have HPV or cancer. Because your face turned white in the car on the way downtown when I told you I'm sure I'm clean, unless my ex really did cheat on me with that guy who had herpes and it's not just a bladder infection this time. But we're both sure I'm fine, and we're both lying. I am knee-deep in denial like I'm wading to the shore of a city that isn't the chlamydia capital of Canada. I am so busy counting everything that's been inside me since my last checkup, tampons, ex-girlfriend, Diva Cup, ex-girlfriend, yeast infection, ex-girlfriend, that I don't even hear the doctor call my name. When they call your name, straighten your tie. Lick the lipstick off your two front teeth. Remember, you are muscle and tissue strong enough to birth watermelons, even if you never, ever, ever want to think about that. Remember, the last time is past. You are my best friend because you know now is not the time to ask about the last time. About the doctor who got lost between my knees at student health like it was the Bermuda Triangle or Burma and had to call for reinforcements. About her handshakes between my stirruped feet, how she asked me, hide and go cervix? How I gritted my teeth and focused on the light and memorized the phone number of another girl who I'm sure could help you find it a little easier. How I was like HIV and she laughed. How I was like tattoos, piercings, dirty needles and she was like, pshh. How I was like Hep C and other people's toothbrushes and she was like, nah. As if lesbian meant eunuch or immunity. As if all we really do is hold hands. And this is how I know you love me, because you listen to me cry about healthcare as if my dog just died. Because you frog march me up all 3 flights of stairs to the clinic downtown where if I tilt my head back far enough on the exam table, I can see the lights of the high-rise across the street. Because the doctor you found for me offers to hold my hand. Lets me skip the paper gown and hike my dress up. She tells me I have a pretty little cervix. And it's actually just off to the left. Because those 2 things I have never heard before. This is how we recover. Go home and sweat in the bath until your apartment smells like an orange grove. Sweat until you get your test back. Sweat until we can get this without fighting, without waiting rooms full of tears, without second thoughts or second chances. I don't want second chances for HPV or cancer. I just want some results. Woo!